Hello everybody, this is Compulayne again. I will be talking to you today about how to change your hostname on CentOS 7. There's something called the transient, static, and the pretty. Pretty allows you to set your hostname with spaces, and the static allows you to go ahead and change it, but it will be coming directly from the kernel. So I'll explain that a little bit. But just to get you started, we'll go ahead and open up a terminal. Now, as you can see here, if I type in hostname, I have here something called testserver.compulayne.com. Well, it should have been com, but it says vom. Now, let's say we want to try and update that. There are two ways you can do that. You can either go ahead and do the following, which is, hostname ctl set dash hostname, and then the name that you want. So we'll call it testserver.compulayne, and this time instead of vom, it'll be .com. Okay, and this needs sudo in front of it, right? You're going to need super user privileges. Press enter, type in the password, and there you go. So if I were to do hostname now, you'll see it says .com. This setting doesn't need or require a restart, okay, of the server, okay. However, let's say that you didn't use this method. There's another method that you can use. It's a tool, network management tool, NMTUI, okay. If I press enter on that, I go down here, set system hostname. I can actually change it here if I wanted to. So let's say I change it to .ca for fun. I press OK, type in the password. Alright, so if I were to do hostname, enter, you'll see it says .ca. But if I were to restart the system, this setting will not remain. So in order to ensure that it does remain after I do a reboot, I have to tell it that the hostname has changed. So it'll be sudo system ctl space restart systemd dash hostnamed. Hostnamed. Enter. And done. So if I were to go ahead and restart this system now, you'll see that this name stays, okay? testserver.compulayne.ca. Well, I hope you've learned something today. This is Compulayne signing off. Until next time. Cheers.